We're at 2805 Leeville Road here in Mount Juliet at a stunning property to give you a property tour. This home sits on 7 acres. It comes in at a larger home at around 4,300 square feet, 5 usable bedrooms, although 3-bedroom septic with 4.5 baths. A few things I personally like and love about this property is the great room open floor concept with natural wood finishes, which all leads out to this nice covered back porch with the gas fireplace overlooking your own 7 acres. So with that, let's get into this property tour. A quick thanks to Christine Powell for allowing us to be a part of this. With that, let's go. Let's quickly dive into the location of this property, especially for those that aren't familiar with the area. So this pin represents the house. Of course, it's not on the map because of being a newer construction. The southern boundary line is almost directly across from this driveway, and then the northern boundary line is just south of this other driveway. Of course, I'm going to do a real quick overlay just so you can see what the boundary lines look like, or approximate boundary lines. This area really is a niche little area. Leeville Road is a low traffic road. And then this area is very central in Wilson County, but you get the convenience. So kind of zooming out, you'll see it's a low density area. You've got some major development just to the east off of Highway 109, which is currently going through big development. But you get that great mix of convenience, but the country setting that a lot are looking for. So zooming out just to the west, you'll see Providence, which is more so the central point of Mount Juliet with a lot of your retail stores, restaurants, all of that. Then to the northeast, you'll see Lebanon, the historic square. Again, boutique stores, some local restaurants, and places to hang out. You're really close to Highway 109, which, as I mentioned, is going through a lot of development right now. There's a newer Publix shopping center right there. And then also a super Walmart coming into place. You've got some restaurants that are coming as well, or that are here now, like the new East Nashville East Nashville Brewery, along with some local restaurants in this area. You've also got a couple gyms, so 3-star CrossFit, and then also some cheer gyms up here. And then zooming out, you've got Nashville just to the west, about a 30-minute drive. The Nashville International Airport, about 20 to 25-minute drive. You got Percy Priest Lake just to the southwest, Old Hickory Lake just to the north, and then to the south is Murfreesboro, about 30 minutes to Murfreesboro. So that's it. Let's dive into the property. As soon as you step in this front entrance, you're going to be greeted by the grand little entrance. Right away, you should notice the custom carpentry throughout. This house is detailed with gold and black accents, along with a lot of your natural wood colors. Just to the left of the front entry is this separate formal dining. You could also use it as an office space if you wanted. And as you continue in, you're greeted by the great room, stairs to the upstairs, and then the primary suite just to the right. Another thing this home notes is plenty of storage throughout. Heading into the primary suite, again, you'll notice some of the custom carpentry throughout. Nice, big, bright bedroom. And then almost all of the bedrooms in this house have a great view. Stepping on into the primary bathroom. If bathrooms are your thing, this is it. Dual vanities, plenty of storage space, standalone tub, walk-in shower, all accented with those blacks. Of course, you've got the private commode. And then at the end of it, you've got your very large walk-in closet. Now let's head on back out to the great room to check out the rest of the house. So this is one of my favorite areas. You've got this nice, well-sized great room with the brick accent. I don't believe it's real brick, but gives that brick accent. Custom shelving on the walls, some cabinetry below, dual access doors to the covered back patio, and along with this really nice kitchen and a little breakfast nook eating space right here. Again, overlooking a nice backyard. Additional concrete pad for the grill, hot tub, whatever you want to do. Higher end appliances in this house. Gas stove. Dual ovens. I do believe quartz countertops on this one, if I'm not mistaken. A little butler's pantry. And then your pantry. This house sports a 3-car garage. So for those of you that have toys or want to fit all the vehicles in, you got plenty of space there. Additional perk was that extra large concrete pad outside, plenty of turnaround space. This is the utility room. Nice little perk of a sink in here. Your downstairs guest bathroom. Old accents on this one. Second downstairs bedroom. This is one of the smaller bedrooms in the house. The only one with a non-walk-in closet. Again, great views throughout. Okay, with that, let's go ahead and check out this great covered back patio. One of my favorite things about this house. Awesome place to entertain. I know I'd be out here all the time. It's got that gas fireplace, mantle pre-wired for a TV, additional concrete pad there for hot tub or just general entertainment space. Now let's head up to the second floor. While we're doing that, I should have mentioned earlier, all of these bedrooms are pre-wired for TVs. That includes electric and a Ethernet port. Upstairs, you're going to find 3 additional bedrooms, one of which is a suite. You're going to find additional full bathroom along with a half bath in the bonus room. So this bedroom has again, really nice view of the backyard. Huge walk-in closet. The additional full bathroom, black accents on this one. This is the second suite. So full bathroom, gold accents on this one. And then a large walk-in closet tucked in to the left. So upstairs, as you've probably noticed, you've got hardwood in the main kind of hallways. The bedrooms have carpet. This is your third bedroom upstairs. You got a large, very large walk-in closet on this one. And then also access to the attic space, so some additional storage if you need it. Another thing to point out is all the bedrooms in the house do have ceiling fans. So with that, we're in the final room, the bonus room. I know many or most of you are going to love this thing. Huge bonus room, so much versatility with it. It's got this great closet for all your storage needs, games, additional storage, yada yada. Right on the bonus room is this half bathroom, so no need to run throughout the rest of the house. And then you've also got this nice little perk of a wet bar. So with that, we have come to the end of this tour. If you have any questions, if you'd like to see the property, don't hesitate to reach out. Contact details are in the description below. If you would like to see more details on the property, I've linked the property listing down there as well. Otherwise, see you in the next one.